Shubankar, roll number 122 CS 0047 from Triple ITDM Kurnool, and this is my presentation for my Samsung Innovation Campus AI course. So what I have done for my project is basically build a face swapper which takes an image as input, scans the facial features and marks them as landmarks, then triangulates the main points on it, and then superimposes them on another target image to basically blend both images together to create a new face, or basically face swapper. The dependencies of this project are OpenCV. We are using OpenCV to read images, process them to grayscale, because the DLib library which we are using only can process images which are in grayscale. Then we are using it to create mask and draw shapes, also create copies, because we are not directly modifying the original image. The next is NumPy. NumPy is basically for storing the images as an array, and also we are storing the landmark coordinates which we will generate from DLib as arrays as well. Then the DLib binary. This is the machine learning library which is built in C++, and it has Python endpoints. In our context, DLib library uses histogram of gradients method and a support vector machine to find landmarks. Basically what it does is, for a given face, it will find points on it which using histogram of gradient methods provide a fingerprint for the surrounding areas. And then using derivative triangulation, we will create small triangles such that the circumcircle of each triangle, that is the circle made from joining the three vertices of triangle, do not superimpose each other or cross each other, so that you get clean triangles and distinct features for each. Then we are using scikit image library to calculate the structural similarity index for the faces. We are calculating SSIM to basically see how well the faces are blended in together. The last one is the actual DAT file of the model, which has the actual parameters for detecting face landmarks. So we have already installed and completed all the requirements. This is a brief description about linear triangulation. So like I said, this basically takes a set of points and connects them into triangles such that no point lies in the circle of any triangle. This is text for describing what happens in the code below. Now here we are importing CV2, DLib, NumPy, Matplotlib for plotting graphs, and structure SK image matrix for structural similarity index. We have defined three helper functions. First is extract index NP array. What this basically does is it finds the first matching index in our NumPy array. When we get the NumPy array of after doing the triangulation process, when we get the NumPy array of matching indexes, this will match the first sequence which matches entirely, i.e. the set of points, like first set of points which matches entirely. So it will not scan the rest of the. Then draw landmarks. This is responsible. Basically, we are creating a copy of image, and on it we are creating small landmark points for visually debugging the image, such that we can develop the triangles upon them using those as vertices. This broad linear is responsible for triangles itself. As you can see, this like finds the coordinates of the first, second, and third point. Then marks them in as small blue circles, and then returns the image copy. Then this is the helper function to calculate structure similarity index. Now, since SSIM can only work on grayscale images, that's why we had converted it above into grayscale. Mask position. Okay. Mask is we are using convexal because we are only focusing upon the face area. We are isolating it such that it lands between the forehead and the chin and excludes ears and other features. Then this is the core of the project. First we are loading the source images and target images. Then we are conducting a basic error check in case the path is missing. Then we are converting images to grayscale. We are setting up DLib, importing the detector and predictor. After that we are detecting the source phase using DLib library. So this code is responsible for finding the x and y coordinates of each landmark, basically a point on the convexal of the image of the face. Linear triangulation, as we discussed, it already like basically what linear triangulation is doing is we are creating a mask of the image, of the copy of image, and we are doing an we are creating an inverse of the image such that wherever there is a point detected, after this, after we are finding the list of triangles created by the Bell-Noy algorithm, we will find out each indice of the triangle. We will get 3 points, like x and y coordinates of 3 points. After that, for each point, we will find its index in the list of 68 landmarks which we are getting from the DLib data set. And we will only add it to the valid landmark list if all the 3 points are matching. And this is the code to detect the target face. First face, 68 landmarks. Convexal for target face, we are converting the target point array into an numpy array. And then we are calculating the convexal of the target landmarks. After that, we are creating a blank canvas to build a new swapped image face. So in this, what we are doing is we are getting the 3 coordinates of x and y coordinates of the current indices. Then we are creating a bounding box for the source triangle. We are cropping it out from the source image, creating a mask, and then offsetting the triangle points to the local coordinates inside the bounding box. After that, we will fill the mask with white inside the triangle, and then we will do a fresh inverse of it so that any previously existing triangle in the area gets removed. So after this, we need to combine the 2 swap faces into a target head, and then this is to create a debug image, basically to show the procedure of how it's working. This is the main function. So here we have imported a list of images which we have uploaded to Collab, and Uh, yes, this is for this specific section of code is for converting the color scheme from blue, green, red to RGB for matplotlib, because OpenCV and matplotlib uses different color schemes. Then you calculate the SSM score for the entire image and then you print it. So this is how it will work. So this is our target. This is our source image. This is Bradley Cooper. This is our source image. So this, if we zoom in on it, you can see that we have created tiny circles on it which are detecting the landmarks, and then we have created triangles using Delnoy triangulation method. Similarly, for the target image, we have created the same for the target image, and then these two are debug images to check the original image, and this is the final combined image with the face swap. Similarly, this is another example for Shah Rukh Khan and Deepika Padukone. And this is the swap image, face swap.